My dear children, when do we use this term? Pass it on. Pass it on. Dear children, you have received something from someone. You have used this. Now you would like to give to the others for their use. For example, I received a book from the library. I would like to pass it on to my friends. You have read this book. You want your friends also to read the book. So you want to pass this book on to your friends. Or you have received a message from your father. You would like to pass it on to your brother. That means you want to share this message with your brother. Take care. Good.